There you go. It started sliding is what happened. It's steep. That's right. Ain't no tank trap. This is our kind of ride right here, ain't it? Yeah, and then next down from the head you can't go. Oh yeah. Oh, bush pig. Get done. That was hilarious, dude. It's out of her single track right here, ain't it? You see it on the map? I see some kind of little something that comes out on pavement. Heck yeah, it would. Trim down. You got your silky saw. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Damn it, a rock got you. Oh, a dang big old rock. Your front tire hit a big old rock. Hold on, I'll get to help you so it don't try to take off. I think your front tire hit it and it just started skidding it. Let me get
on video?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good.
That was worth it.
Yeah.
All right, you ready? I got it. Reconfigure a little bit. Yeah, your front tire hit that. Look how far it moved that rock. That gum thing. You can't drive it if the front tire ain't rolling, can you? Nothing hurt. You almost saved it. It's just too steep. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, we hate to exploit Cody, but sometimes the camera needs to be in the back. Oh, I know. It's pretty rocky. You just have to take it easy. I think that rock was so big and you hit the sharp edge of it. That's right. Ooh. Petty John's Cave on the left right there. Dude, this is incredible, isn't it? You kicked one up, went into next week off down through there. feel like Idaho's gonna be like this, don't you? This is T-Dub territory right here. I almost thought about bringing the Himalayan, and I'm glad I didn't now. It is, ain't it? Wow, dude. I know. See, like Idaho, when you look to the right now, it would be death because there's no trees. I mean, it's death here in places, but you get stopped by a tree, really, you know? Oh, golly. Now, that's a route, wasn't it? Man, this is riding right here, man. We got like white knuckle grip right now. Somebody's kind of maintained it a little bit. I saw limbs cut out. Oh, you went right over it? Oh yeah. I'm gonna zoom in on this trail. It's definitely a little pig trail. Are you? It looks like it dead ends, but boy, if it came out at the road, that'd be awesome, wouldn't it? Of course, riding it the other direction ain't gonna be bad either. I don't think so. I don't see water. What are you seeing? Oh, it is, man. Caught a dang pine tree. Wow, look at that, man. I'm gonna stop video you. Have I? You see tread? Steep? Oh, a tree. Well, according to this, the end ain't far. I mean, if this is right, it just shows it stopping right up here. There's a creek, though. Well, yeah, come look at this. Let's see if I can get down here beside you without dying. It's a little steep in places, ain't it?
Oh, hey, where's my salt?
Is it in there? That's a, dude, that, when you was up there, when I was up there and you were coming down through here, it looked so awesome.
I think it's in my Tillamook.
Okay.
I think. Place. There's plenty.
Tall enough?
Tall enough.
It's getting steep, boy.
Hold up. I'm gonna kill you.
I think I'm gonna get off of it. I think if you stayed up here a little better,
Yeah.
you'd be better off, don't you? Let me get it. Okay. Hold on a second.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. I think I can get it right there. Whew. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, try to stay up high as you can. That's work, boy. Yeah, just put your wheel right here, Cody, and that way you can lean it that way. Careful. There you go. It started sliding is what happened. It's steep.
Just hold it.
Okay. Okay.
How are we gonna get back up?
I don't know.
That shit.
You good?
Good.
We're gonna be breathing hard coming up, I guarantee that. I'm coasting. I'm gonna tell you right now, it's getting steep. Yeah, be careful. It's real soft underneath. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. I hope we can come out somewhere. See what it's like right there, around that bend. Is it getting steep? What we've already been on. Definitely getting us ready for Idaho, ain't it? Heck yeah, it is. Like my automatic start. Houses. I was gonna put mine in a little bag on the front fender, just ain't done it yet. Is it? No. No, we ain't got it yet. No, we like a little bit to get it. Yeah, like, Dude, how did you get your body under that tree? I got it all on camera too. Yeah. Here should be coming up the creek soon. Wet down in here, ain't it? Good move though. That was the creek. Yeah. Dude, how did we figure that out? Dude, yeah. That was a ride, man.
From here go all the way out.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that'll get us like right back where basically staying left. Couch Cove. I see it now. Mary Ridge, Allen Gap. Yep, alright. Man, what about that ride, dude? I mean, I wouldn't have mind going back the other way. We need to come back and saw that thing out of the way, don't we?